Which of the following expressions is incorrect for rigidity-based shaft design? A. L equals G theta Tj. B. T equals G theta JL. C. J equals TL G theta. D. Theta equals TL GJ. What form of lever has the effort situated between the load and fulcrum? A. Fourth type. B. First type. C. Second type. D. Third type. What kind of welding joint is the one in the list below not one? A. Single strap joint. B. Lap joint. C. Butt joint. D. T joint. Which of the following represents a screw in dominance? A. Mechanical advantage is lowered. B. High efficiency. C. Large load carrying capacity. D. Wear of screw is reduced. Which of the following is false regarding stiff and flexible connections in machine design? A. Rigid couplings cannot tolerate slight misalignment between axes of shafts. B. Flexible couplings can absorb shocks and vibrations. C. Rigid couplings are expensive than flexible couplings. Which of the following statements regarding roller bearings and ball bearings is correct? A. They have point contact. B. Radial dimensions are more. C. Axial dimensions are less. D. Power lost in friction is more. What sort of welding in machine design use an oxygen-acetylene gas? A. Forge welding. B. Thermit welding. C. Electric arc welding. D. Gas welding. Which of the ensuing lines is the most cost-effective? A. Lagrange line. B. Gerber parabola. C. Goodman line. D. Soderberg line. Which of the following is a multi-leaf springs rebound clips used for? A. Attach a member or component to. B. Helps to share the load from master leaf to graduated leaves. C. Hold all the leaves of the spring. D. Engage the bolts to clamp the leaves. Which of the subsequent is not a transmission shaft type? A. Line shaft. B. Transmission shaft. C. Countershaft. D. Crankshaft. Which one of the following connects two rotating shafts? A. Belt drive. B. Key. C. Coupling. D. Gear. According to ASME code, what is the maximum shear stress for a material with keyway effect and ultimate tensile strength? A. 0.225 sut. B. 0.18 sut. C. 0.135 sut. D. 0.30 sut. Which of the following, when applied to power screws, is the right formula to calculate torque when the load is reduced during machine design? A. W tan. B. W tan. C. W tan. Which of the following components only experiences the bending moment when transferring torque? A. Belt drive. B. Axle. C. Axle. D. Brake. Which of the following is an accurate representation of a fillet joint? A. A triangle. B. A triangle with an arc above it. C. Two parallel lines with an arc above them. D. A right-angled triangle. Which of the following failure types cannot occur in a riveted joint? A. Shear failure of plate. B. Crushing failure of the plate. C. Shear failure of rivet. D. Tensile failure of the plate between rivets. The process of conducting analysis and creating documents is known as A. Science and engineering. B. Software re-engineering. C. Re-engineering. D. Reverse engineering. Define the Agile Scrum technique. A. Project management that emphasizes no progress. B. Project management that emphasizes neutral progress. C. Project management that emphasizes decremental progress. D. Project management that emphasizes incremental progress. What exactly does SDLC mean? A. System Development Life Cycle. B. System Design Life Cycle. C. Software Design Life Cycle. D. Software Development Life Cycle. Who founded software engineering? A. Boris Beizer. B. Alan Turing. C. Watts S. Humphrey. D. Margaret Hamilton. The 8 principles upheld by the Software Code of Ethics and Professional Practice do not include A. Profession. B. Public. C. Environment. D. Product. What exactly is a functional requirement? A. Specifies the tasks the program must not work. B. Specifies the tasks the program should not complete. C. Specifies the tasks the program must complete. D. All of the mentioned. A software development activity that is not included in software procedures is A. Dependence. B. Development. C. Specification. D. Validation. CASE is short for A. Cost-Aided System Experiments. B. Control-Aided Science and Engineering. C. Computer-Aided Software Engineering. D. None of the mentioned. 25. Who came up with the spiral model? A. IBM. B. Royce. C. Pressman. D. Barry Boehm. Good software has the following characteristics. A. Maintainability. B. Functionality. C. Maintainability and functionality. D. Development. By, the clean room philosophy was first put forward. A. Mills. B. Dyer. C. Linger. D. All of the mentioned. What is meant by software? A. Documentation and configuration of data. B. Set of programs, documentation and configuration of data. C. Set of programs. D. None of the mentioned. What exactly is software engineering? A. Application of engineering principles to the design of software. B. Testing a software. C. Designing a software. D. None of the above. Why do software errors and bugs happen? A. Because of both companies and developers. B. Because of developers. C. Because of companies. D. None of the mentioned. What characteristics does software code have? A. Modularity. B. Simplicity. C. Accessibility. D. All of the above. The method through which the exact materials, dimensions, tolerances, and surface roughness are created is referred as A. Refinement process. B. Implementation process. C. Analysis process. D. Decision process. The connection between CAD/CAM is A. Design and marketing. B. Design and manufacturing. C. Manufacturing and marketing. D. Science and engineering. The program that gives users access to many features for geometric modeling and construction is referred to as A. Programming software. B. Application software. C. Graphics software. D. Operating software. What two fields of study share a database? A. Drafting and documentation. B. Documentation and geometric modeling. C. CAD and CAM. D. None of the mentioned. The name of the program that handles data entry, design, analysis, drafting, and manufacturing tasks is A. Programming software. B. Application software. C. Operating software. D. Operating software. The program used to organize data, manage the computer's workflow, and carry out housekeeping duties is referred to as A. Programming software. B. Application software. C. Graphics software. D. Operating software. Software that facilitates the implementation of customized applications or system modifications is referred to as A. Programming software. B. Operating software. C. Graphics software. D. Application software. The maximum and minimum hole sizes for manufacturing a specific number of holes were determined to be 50.14 mm and 49.98 mm, respectively. What will the millimeter tolerance be? A. 0.17. B. 0.16. The phrase used to describe geometric modeling, such as solid modeling, wireframe modeling, and drafting, is A. Application software. B. Operating system. C. Software package. D. None of the mentioned. What causes a tooth at the heel to be short, thick, disproportionately thin, and high tooth at the toe? A. Difference in outer and inner circumference of the generating gear. B. Difference in feed rates. C. Difference in PCDs of the generating gears. D. Error in indexing while manufacturing. The following is not software for an operating system. A. Ideas. B. Windows. C. Unix. D. VAX VMS. Which of the following is more effective for creating complex shapes? A. Turning. B. Metal casting. C. Sand casting. D. Powder metallurgy. As the helix angle of the helical gear, the angle between the spindle axis of the hob and the workpiece must be A. Increased by the same amount. B. Increased by the half amount. C. Decreased by the half amount. D. Decreased by the same amount. Which of the following technologies doesn't generate a tangible copy? A. Non-impact printers. B. Impact printers. C. Plotters. D. CRT terminals. The highest shaft diameter during shaft and hole manufacture was 49.88 mm, and the smallest hole diameter was discovered to be 49.94 mm. Which of the following statements is true? A. Clearance fit. B. Interference fit. The classification of locating devices is A. Graphic device. B. Text input device. C. None of the mentioned. D. All of the mentioned. If a current of 30 A is passed through a cross-sectional area of 0.5 square meters, what is the metal's current density? A. 120 AM2. B. 15 AM2. C. 7.5 AM2. D. 60 AM2. The total resistance in a circuit is lower than the smallest resistance present. The total resistance in a circuit is lower than the smallest resistance present. A. Parallel. B. Either series or parallel. Typically, batteries are connected in A. Neither series nor parallel. B. Either series or parallel. C. Parallel. D. Series. A 100 Hz AC signal will complete how many cycles in 2 seconds? A. 150. B. 200. C. 100. D. 50.